Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to require follow requests on your profile on Mastodon. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start off by clicking on the settings icon in our top right corner. When we're here, we're gonna slide down to our account settings that are located in the boring zone, and they're the first option. So we're gonna go ahead and click on that. Next, we're going to click on continue. When we're here in our account settings, the next step we're going to take is select the three stripes in our top right corner. And now we're going to tap on the first option that we have, profile. Now, as you can see here, we have display name, bio, our header, our avatar, and the first option below avatar we have is require follow requests. So we're going to tap on that. So now our account is private and we have to approve our followers in order for them to follow us. We're going to go on and save the changes. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.